All right, guys, let's kick it off with PayPal. So we see that stock down 18% right now. Lots of news coming out of PayPal. First, it's naming HP CEO Enrique Lores as its new CEO. Former longtime PayPal CEO Dan Schulman now heading up Verizon. But look, Lores has his work cut out for him. Profit and revenue at PayPal fell short of expectations. It saw weakness in its U.S. retail spending. It's got international headwinds, and growth in its branded online checkouts slowed to just 1%. Get this, year to date, PayPal down 10%. Its one-year return down 42%.
Well, I just don't get that PayPal story. They could have really been a leader in fintech.
Yeah, it's like they really
could
missed
have owned
the
that
opportunity.
space. I just don't know what happened.
All right, let's move on to Palantir Technologies. Flipping the coin here because that stock is up 11%. So this is a company that creates software and data tools for businesses. Also has a bunch of government contracts with the Department of Defense, the IRS. So Palantir forecast revenue for fiscal 2026 blew past Wall Street's estimates. It also signed a contract worth up to $10 billion with the Army in July. It signed another one for $450 million with the Navy in December. And Palantir, it got off to a lackluster start here this year. It was down 17% year to date, but its one-year return 76%.
I know it's been an extraordinary story. They got at first I thought they might not catch the AI wind in the sails. But then they did, and that's all this stock needed. I remember Dan Ives initiating coverage on this stock, and he was late. I mean, that stock had already run, and he said, no, it's still got room to go. And he was right.
Apparently it does. Yep. All right, and then let's do another one on the plus side. Teradyne. This stock soaring 22%. It's now in record territory. This is a semiconductor test equipment supplier, smashing Wall Street's targets for the fourth quarter, also with its guidance for the current period. Business seems well exposed to, artificial intelligence chips, which we know is all the rage right now. And I got time for, I think, one more. I'm going to throw it in there.
Throw it in there.
PepsiCo, cutting prices on snacks like Lay's, Doritos, Cheetos. It's trying to win back customers who were very frustrated with rising prices. And a reason why revenue was up last quarter was because of the higher prices. And that's not why you want to see revenue rise.
See, that's the thing. Like, we had that bout of inflation from the pandemic and the, supply chain and all that stuff. I don't know. But those prices go up. I get it. But they never come down. Well, it's one thing for like a commodity, like milk goes down in price. Okay, fine. But these packaged goods, do they ever cut price?
Well, here's an example. Shrinkflation, where you would get the fewer items in the package.
I'll tell you what I do like, though.
A lot of air in the package.
I'll tell you what I like, though, is these smaller cans of Coca-Cola and Pepsi. I'm sure of everything else. There's like 7.5 ounces. Because I never drink the 12 ounces, so now I feel like I'm not wasting it. That 7.5 ounces is a.
You feel like you got your
now.
hit.
I don't know what they're pricing it at. Am I paying the same thing for 12 ounces? I don't know. I haven't gone that far.
Do not know.
Anyway.
I'm a seltzer. And you know what? I'm a seltzer gal, so I don't know.
All right, I'm a Coke person, but you put a can of Pepsi in front of me, I'm just as happy. I could care less. But some people are diehard about that
Coke,
stuff.
no Pepsi.
I can tell the difference, but they're both good. Now the stuff we have on the 6th floor, I'm going right to the top on this one. We have this organic soda up there. Disaster.
No, that doesn't even sound
good. And I've
good.
been talking to these guys who run the 6th floor. Can you bring back an old-time soda
machine? Is it like
regime?
organic sugar cane? What's going on?
Organic cola, root beer. It's terrible. So anyway, so I'm going to the top on this time.
I say cut out the soda. Cut it out, Paul.
Maybe they'll get Dr. Pepper. Alexis, thank you so much. It's a podcast. We like that.